Take 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds. Add them to the grinder and grind them well. Add 3/4 tablespoons of honey. Any organic honey would do. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm using virgin coconut oil here. 1 large size banana. You can adjust it as per your hair length. I am doing it for medium hair length. Grind them all together into a smooth paste again. Make sure there are no lumps left. And once your paste is ready, apply it onto your scalp. Massage it well for 5 minutes and leave it on for 40 to 50 minutes. You can also leave it further and rinse it off with your normal shampoo. How my hair looks after the hair mask. I've done literally nothing. It's just air dried. This hair mask.